yung unit store itself, napakaganda, malinis, very accommodating lahat ng staff, kaya ito lagi ang binabalikan namin. Ang unit na napili namin is a Hilux Conquest 2024. Napili namin to kasi we want for our family use. Kasi mahilig kaming mag-travel. Actually, this is our second car to avail here in Toyota Silang. Actually, madami kaming magandang experience dito sa Toyota Silang. Kasi yung our first car, napaka-fast transaction, mabilis kausap. Every time na pumupunta kami dito, galing mag-accommodate lahat ng staff dito sa Toyota Silang. Ang marketing professional namin ay si Miss Aika Diaz. Very accommodating, napakagaling niyang mag-transact, very fast yung transaction namin. Lahat naman ng questions ko regarding sa unit, even first car, lahat naman nasasagot niya. Ikaw, anong kwentong Toyota Silang mo?